Hi there. My name is Kevin Cook, and staying true to my core, I needed to show, not just tell you, about the project I'm most proud of. The project is called TaskIt, which is a marketplace that brings together taskers, which are people who need a task completed, and taskees, who are people looking to complete tasks. The design of the homepage is meant to be straightforward and easy to navigate, where you have a selection of a few popular categories, as well as a search bar for any other of the categories that could be featured on the website. So mounting installation, you can see that this is a category page here where there's different choices in terms of hanging pictures or mounting a TV, and a quick explanation as to how you can select your taskee, you can schedule your task, and how you can pay for it. So the way the website is set up currently, you are prompted to log in if you'd like to complete a task. So I'd like to show you that process here. So here you can log in with your email and password, and after logging in, you can explore the various categories of available services, or if you're like me, you can go back to the home page and select Handyman, because that's the task you need completed. After selecting Handyman, I'm going to select Plumbing, because I'm having an issue with the leaky faucet, let's say. And you're directed here to start entering the starting address, the ending address, and to describe the issue you're having, as well as to let the tasker know if a vehicle is needed and the rough estimate on the time. So after describing the issue, here I have a leaky sink, you can continue on to select your taskee from a list of qualified taskees. So here you can browse a list of the unique experiences and qualifications each taskee has. You'd get a photo, a description of their experience, their star rating, as well as their hourly rate. I'm just going to click through here and look at each person's experience, reviews, kind of explore as you would if you were a typical user. So since they both have good qualifications and about the same star rating, I'm going to select the first taskee here solely because they have a cheaper hourly rate. Here we move to one of the aspects that I'm really proud of, which is the calendar. I'm especially proud of this because it was a knowledge gap that I had to overcome. I had to really do a lot of digging into documentation and reading around about how exactly to create this calendar that not only it works on the front end, but it functionally stores all the data we'd like on the back end as well. The account page shows completed tasks and open tasks for each tasker. It also includes the time commitment, the total cost, starting, ending address, all of the very similar information that you would input as a tasker. So now that we've fully explored the tasker side of things, I'd like to look at the taskee side of the website. So after logging out, you select Become a Taskee, and you have the choice to register or to sign into your taskee account. Immediately upon logging in as a taskee now, you're greeted with your tasks in progress as well as your completed tasks. So for Linda here, she has one task in progress, which is a home repair, fixing screens, and she has two completed tasks, one in plumbing and one in groceries. So on the taskee side of things, the schedule is how you set your availability. So here again is the calendar component that I built that I'm most proud of, but it allows you to select the times that you're available to be selected for tasks. So for example, let's say Linda is available all next week and she wants to work from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m., let's say. So in doing that, she sets her schedule. One thing that's nice here, though, is that a taskee can edit or delete any aspect of their schedule that they would like. Additionally, when they're editing their schedule, they just need to select the day and time of their new schedule, and that will be reflected on their profile and in the back end in the database. So under account, you have profile information, you have skills, reviews, and contact support. So let's look under profile information. Here you have tools. You have a selection of different tools, vehicles, other facts, and about me. And these get stored in your account as a task key. So if Linda goes through here and selects that she has a power drill, let's say maybe a power washer, and a dolly, this will get saved to her profile that taskers will see, as well as reflected in the back end in the database. So that's for tools. A similar thing for vehicles here. She can select which vehicle she has to complete certain tasks. So here she has a car and let's say maybe also a bike. So she can save that to her profile. Under other facts in About Me, it's more of building the database about yourself. So other facts here, you can say, oh, maybe I have pet allergies, I speak multiple languages, maybe you require a 2-hour minimum, or maybe none of those apply to you. So one thing I want to look at is the I speak multiple languages. Here you can sort of select whatever language that you speak. So for Linda, let's say Spanish. Lastly is the About Me here, and this is where you can write like a little blurb to tell the taskers more about yourself, your experience, and who you are. So let's go back here and let's look at skills. Here are the skills. You set this up when you register and you start your profile, but these are the specific skill sets you have for certain categories. The next category is reviews. Here you can see Linda hasn't had great reviews, but she's had 3 tasks. We don't want to focus on that. Let's head back. And then lastly, we have contact support. Here she can fill out her name, her email, and she can select a topic that she may need support about. So she has account, skills, tasker, tasky. Let's say account though, and let's just fill out a quick little thing here about what issue she may be having. So that's really the TaskIt website that I'm most proud of. It's the most complicated project I've done. It required a lot of deeper learning, filling in knowledge gaps, but it's something that I'm truly the most proud of.